In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Opera Mini Browser. As you can see, I already have it, so I can go into settings right away. Scroll down and choose Apps section. Now click on Choose Default Apps and tap on one of those options. I want to change my browser app, so I have to click over here. Tap on Opera Mini in order to apply it and select the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!